Simple, fast, and convenient. MING DIY shower doors. No need to drill holes in the wall or use any complicated tools. The entire installation process can be completed by just one person. Our product is different from traditional shower doors in that a lot of volume is reduced during transportation, making it more convenient for consumers. When you open the packaging, you will see the four corners of the door frame with a snap-fit joint design. Assemble by snapping in the corners, then complete by fastening the screws at the back. Next, move the assembled frame to the installation site. The gap between the frame and the wall can be fixed by using the wide screws to securely fasten it at the top, middle, and bottom positions. The level of the frame can also be adjusted by using the wide screws. The installation of the door frame is now complete. Next, proceed with the installation of the sliding door by simply placing the upper rollers onto the track. Finally, apply silicone sealant on both sides of the edges. This completes the installation. Allow the silicone sealant to dry for 5 hours before use.